right, so couldn't quite get to it today, but we still have time during the day. So this is iTrend Pro by NINZA, and these signals, of course, they don't repaint, and they also could be automated. So that's what I'm doing now, because using this NINZA Renko bar, the NASDAQ moves pretty fast. Automation helps to catch trades. So this software provides trend trades, and there are many ways to adjust them. The way I do it, I just kind of take a look and see what works for the day, and then I just adjust the parameters. And that's important to do pretty much no matter what indicator you get. You cannot, the same parameters are simply not going to work under any market conditions, right? Or every market conditions. Because market conditions change, it's important for your indicator to adjust accordingly. Remember, the market doesn't have to adjust to your indicator needs to adjust to the market. Today, this particular brick size might work better than other days, and particular parameters could work other than other days. So right now, for today, this seems to work well. So I missed the long because I wasn't ready yet. So at this point, it only paints one signal per direction. So now I would be looking for a short trade.
Order filled.
Here we go. So full auto. It really helps. Nice and quick. So automation really helps with this bar type, because things just happen too fast. I would never be able to catch it.
Stop filled.
All right, so that took me here at break even on the second half. So I mean, it's fine as long as you're looking for scalping. This bar type is pretty small. So as long as you're just looking for scalping, that's fine. If you're looking for larger moves, you gotta look probably at time charts, 2 minute maybe. Realistically, if I had a full day to trade with it, maybe tomorrow or some other day, I'll have a full day to trade with it. What can you hope for? Again, I don't know, between 300 and 500, I guess. That's hard to say. But I'll try to trade it a full day sometime and see what I can get. The key is really money management. So see how it was not fooled, there was no long trade here. So this is now very different than something like our case system, right? This is just a fairly simple indicator, very inexpensive, and that's why I'm saying, it's okay, I think, for scalping. If you want larger targets, you would have to use, I believe, a time chart, like a 2 or 3 minute. But then, of course, your stops would be larger, so that's something to consider. So it all depends what you're going for. And this, of course, is fully customizable. It has a lot of options as far as how do you want to smooth the trend. It has a bunch of different moving averages. I happen to love the linear regression. Yeah, so at this point, just waiting for a long.
Order filled.
Here we go. So now there is a long. Again, this is full auto. Go first target. Let's see, do I have a runner? Yeah, I'm just gonna let it go, you know what, until I close to market close. I'm just gonna kind of leave it alone. I don't have to watch it because I have the robot trading it. But just to show you how this indicator operates. Pretty nice run.
Target filled.
Very, very good. Very good. Okay, so now, the one thing I like about this is that it's only one signal per direction. So if you watch my other videos, you know I always prefer the first signal in the sequence anyway. So to me, this is just nice. I don't have to worry about multiple signals in the same direction. So fairly accurate, really. Waited for a long, waited, and then just took it. And pretty nice, pretty nice. So now the next signal is a short. So I guess this is the dumb way to trade. I don't mean to be, but really there was nothing here. It's just, you just let it go. And now it's not the ideal way to trade. You always kind of, look, this kind of an indicator would work best if you have some idea about support and resistance, and then you probably want to start looking for signals when price is at a critical location, let's say, or an important level. To just let it go, it's you can probably do fine, but that's not really the ideal way to trade. What I'm showing here is I am simply showing what the indicator is doing, but all indicators are just tools, right? These are tools that we have. So to be most effective with these tools, some basic understanding of trading must be in place. So what I'm doing is not ideal right now. I'm just letting it go. So the next trade is a short trade. So interesting, still no short trade. Like I thought one would be here by now, but no short trade. Okay.
Order
There
filled.
we go. Now there is a short. Here we go, first target. Is this thing really gonna just collapse down now? Look at that go. Woo-hoo-hoo. Goodness me. Should I drag my stop? Can I drag my stop a little? I don't want to give back everything. That was interesting. Wow. All right. So again, I mean, if you try to do this manually, it might be somewhat challenging. If you have a robot who can do this for you, well, then it's definitely doable. Well, I'm so close to that second target, though. Just missed me by a tick, looks like. Come on, give it to me.
Target filled.
Goodness me. Okay, so this is all live, guys. I'm not, just luck, because I did not know. I just finally got through my other trading, and I set some time for this, time of sales and computer clock, right, all that good stuff. So, yeah, just happened to turn this on at the right time. So considering, this is what I call brainless trading, it's not bad. Maybe we don't need brains to trade. Maybe that's the key. Maybe we overthink things. Sometimes I get that feeling about myself. So I think I'm up something like just over the past few minutes, like $600 or something. So that's not bad. Should probably stop here, right? All right, let's go. What's next? Next is a long signal. I think maybe sometime in the future, when I have a little bit more time, I'll actually kind of show how you can trade this indicator, but in a bit smarter way. Maybe while looking at a larger time frame and look for support resistance areas, as opposed to just letting it go. But the truth is, I wouldn't be able to do any better using anything that I know. But this indicator just what it just did in a few minutes here. So the joke is on me. But definitely, I think you don't want to use it during the dead zone, right? So between like lunchtime. When I say lunchtime, I mean Eastern US, right? Like I said, between 11:30 and 2 o'clock, you probably don't want to be at a time when there is no direction. Then it becomes a little iffy. But if you can catch a time when things are moving, so probably when? Probably maybe like 9:35, kind of give the market 5 minutes to come down from the open. So maybe like 9:35 until like 10:30. So that's probably is a good time. And then again, like after 2 o'clock, after 2:30, you know, kind of you can try it again. But you just don't want to be in a situation where it's extremely range bound, because then I imagine you get quite a few false signals. Well, I shouldn't say false. Signals are never false. What I mean is not profitable signals, let's say. I don't like that expression, false signals. Signals are signals. I guess some are profitable and some are not.
Yeah, sorry, I was on the phone when that last long trade took place. So, yeah, just a quick long, looks like just first target and then stopped at break even on the second half.
Order filled. Target filled.
Sorry, we just missed this last one. I was about to stop the recording and then the trade fired, so why not just watch it. So I just started up my Rhythmic Trader, so I can summarize the day, show you guys the Rhythmic dashboard. A lot of fun trading this indicator, I'm telling you. A lot of fun trading this indicator today. As long as you are willing to, you know, you're satisfied with small first targets, I think it's just fine. Yeah, after this, I'll definitely be done. Do the summary. Go first target.
Target filled.
Nice. All right. Wouldn't it be nice to get a run now? It would be amazing. Here goes. Here goes. No. Come on. Move. You can't grab it. Here we go. Come on.
Stop.
All right. Good enough. Let's disable the robot. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the Rhythmic dashboard. All right, so to summarize, computer clock, Rhythmic clock, the totals. So my opinion of this iTrend indicator, a lot of fun. Simple. There is nothing complicated here. This is not a system. I think the best way to trade it is together with something else. Now, the way I have traded it was without anything, and it did really, really well. Again, though, you gotta pick the right times. You don't want to be using this indicator just taking every signal in a very range-bound market. There needs to be some movement. As long as there is movement, this indicator will do just fine. Also, you need to pick the right brick size. This is a NINZA, so I think it's an 8.4. If things move very quickly, like that's fine. You might want to have a slightly larger brick size under different circumstances, like if you don't want to get chopped too much. But really, it all depends on what the market is doing, and that's really the key when it comes to indicators or time frames. There is no magic time frame. It's all situation specific. The parameters of the indicators are situation specific. I cannot just answer a question, what are the best parameters for this indicator? Because my answer would be, it all depends. It depends on volatility. It depends what time of day it is. It depends on so many things. You just can't answer this kind of a question. There is no one size fits all when it comes to time frames or indicator settings. All right, I will be doing more videos with this indicator. I just thought I just had like a bit over an hour today. I was really busy during the day, but still, I mean, in less than an hour, I think I've showed enough. It's really given the price. I mean, it is so reasonably priced. It really can't go wrong. But anyway, all right, guys, that's it for today. Leave a like, subscribe, look in the description, and most importantly, have a great day. Thank you.